Our original Insignia remote is due to be replaced. The back is falling off, the buttons aren't pressing very well, and so we're like, okay, yeah, we just need to get a new one. When looking for a remote, we wanted all the same features that our original one has, so we found this one and it has everything that the other one has. My daughter really likes the voice command option up at the top, so we had to make sure that our new one had that one as well. And as I was looking through other ones, I couldn't really find ones that had that voice option except the ones that were really expensive. So we went with this one that's compatible with our Insignia TV, and it's priced pretty good. Now this one didn't come with batteries, so you'll just need 2 AAA batteries. It turned right on, and the only time I had to pair it was when we wanted to use the voice command button. So it'll guide you and walk you through that. And if you still have trouble, it does come with paper instructions so that you can look through that. Overall, I think this was a great purchase. It's affordable, it does everything we need it to do, and I feel like it's the closest it's going to get to the original. So I do recommend this.